Have you ever pondered how rain forms? Let's explore this natural phenomenon in a simplified way. When the sun heats the earth, water evaporates from oceans, lakes, and rivers, turning into water vapor in the air. As the warm, moist air rises, it cools down, causing the water vapor to condense into tiny droplets on dust particles, forming clouds. When these droplets combine and grow heavy, gravity pulls them down as rain. The size of the droplets determines if it will be rain, a drizzle, or a downpour. So next time you see rain falling, remember it all started with the sun's heat and the water cycle.